Headlines from across the country. But now let's start with stories from Lamu County, where Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has hailed the Lamu County government for reviving the annual mega cultural festival, terming it a major economical game changer to the transformation of the hustlers' livelihood. Mudavadi, who joined the thousands of visitors and leaders from all the corners of the world in gracing the 20th Lamu mega cultural event, said he was particularly impressed to see there were groups that were funded by the county to offer services such as selling food to visitors, which will generate income and boost the economy. The Prime CS arrived in Lamu Friday afternoon and was received by a host of leaders from Lamu.
I hope that our visit, you have taken time to walk around, to taste the food that is sold in plenty along the seashore, that you have taken time to interact with other people, and most important, that you have enjoyed your time here. Please, if there's anything that you think we can do better, do not hesitate to let us know.
We all know the consequences of insecurity and the damage it can do to our economies, apart from eliminating people's lives. You have gone through a lot of tribulations in this region. But today I can stand here and say, Inshallah, we are here seated together because the people of Lamu have participated in ensuring that there is peace in this region. If you are a golf player, I would say keep your eye on the ball. So I'm just requesting you, the people of Lamu, the people of all these countries, keep your eye on the ball, because peace is going to be the catalyst for investment.
A Naro governor's wife has called on the Mac community to protect girls against violence during this long holiday. Agnes Ntutu wants the Maasai community to protect their girls from